How to enable or disable live caption, hide profanity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, so click on live caption. So after click on live caption, scroll down and you will see hide profanity is here. So if you want to enable hide profanity, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see hide profanity is enabled. So if you want to disable hide profanity, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hide profanity is disabled. So you will enable or disable hide profanity from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable live caption, hide profanity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.